Hi there, my name is Julian. I'm the founder of NoteForms. And if you're watching this, it means that you still haven't created your first form. So in this video, I'll very quickly show you how to do so. First thing first, make sure you're logged in into your NoteForms account and click the Create Form button. You can either start from an existing database or you can start from scratch. To keep it simple, I'll start from scratch. Click Continue. And then, to save some time, you can use our AI to generate a draft for your form. I will go with a simple job application form. Simply click Generate Form, and then our AI will generate for you a first draft, which will take about 10 to 15 seconds. Awesome, it's done. So the form looks great. It asks for name, email, phone, resume, and few other details. There is even a second page here to ask for some more information. It's perfect. The only thing I'd like to do now is to add our logo to this form. So I can do so in the Design tab. I'll just click on Logo, upload an image. And here it is. Perfect. So the form is ready. I can just click Publish Form. And then I need to select where I want submissions to be sent to within my Notion workspace. So I'll just select the page, Knowledge Vaults. Let's pick this one. And I can simply click Save Your Form. Great, it's created. So we can preview the form. And let's fill it just to try. Next page, I'll just pick LinkedIn, add some additional information, and I will now submit. Perfect. So since I'm the form owner, NoteForm is giving me this small model to explain to me how to share the form. So you can simply copy the URL and share it, or you can embed it on your website or even within a Notion page. You can also find your submission within this Notion database. So I'll click the button here and it will open my Notion database. So as you can notice, NoteForms created a database for me and all of the form submission will be directly sent there. All of the details we entered are available here, even the resume. That's it. You've now created your first form with NoteForms. We have plenty of extra features to offer, such as custom domains, form customization, notifications if you want to send your respondents a custom email, or if you want to receive an email yourself whenever you receive a new form submission. We have full support for Notion relations. You can even filter relations, display a specific field. You have access to analytics. You can do some custom validation. You can even let your form respondents edit their own submission. Feel free to explore all of these cool features and reach out if you need any help. You can just talk to us via the live chat on the website. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.